In this video, we will show you how to enable Bitlocker Drive Encryption on Windows 11. Bitlocker Drive Encryption can prevent unauthorized people steal or open your files or data. If your hard drive is stolen by people, they will cannot open your drive using another device. So if your data is very important, maybe this will help you. First, in here, you need to verify your Bitlocker Drive Encryption already enabled or not. You can open your command prompt and run as administrator here. You can right click and choose run as administrator. Using this manage PDA status like this, you will see the status of your Bitlocker version and encryption method. And in my Windows 11, this is disabled or not enabled. Okay, you can see there is none in here, and also for encryption method is none. To turn off your Bitlocker Drive Encryption, you need to go to your control panel and select System and Security. Then select Bitlocker Drive Encryption and click the Manage Bitlocker. You can see this is your drive. You can click to turn on Bitlocker. You can see here, how do you want to back up your recovery key? It's whatever you think it's safe. You can save into your Microsoft account, save into a file, or print your recovery key. Don't lose this key, because if you want to recover, this is needed. I want to save to file and I can upload in another drive, for example my cloud or etc. You can click save, but the Windows 11 cannot save this Bitlocker recovery key into not encrypted drive. So in here we can cancel this and we can save into our Microsoft account, for example. Then we can click next. Choose how much of your drive to encrypt. We can using the space only or entire drive. Okay, I will using encrypt use for the space only, faster and best for new PC and drives. Okay, I will click next. Okay, so you can select the encryption method. You can click next and click start encrypting. After that, we can verifying again our Bitlocker Drive Encryption is already turned on or not. We can retype the command prompt. You can see there. Now, in your Windows 11, have the encryption but still in progress, you need to wait. You can see the percentage and encryption method already enabled. And that's all tutorial how to turn on Bitlocker Drive Encryption. And in another tutorial, we will show you how to turn off them. And to find your recovery key on Microsoft account, you can open this link, account.microsoft.com/device/recovery key. And you need to sign in using your account, and you will have the key ID and recovery key. And hope this video helpful for you.